Okay, y'all, this are the LED projector lens. This what I bought. Um, I didn't get these kind. These kind look like what's the movie? Transformer Eye. It only got that red ring and the white halo. And on the inside it didn't have the demon eye look. So this one looked it more cooler. I was finna get this one, but I had to wait like 2 to 3 weeks cause it was coming from China. The other brand that I'm reviewing come from Kentucky, but you know it's made in China, so it only took 3 to 2 days. But I got 2 boxes like this: high beam, 18 watts; low beam, 8 watts. 22 lumen. And they are very bright. Okay, this just tell you, all the wiring and where it at. My bad, y'all. All right, this tell you how to put it together. So this is your projector, your reflector. I had to cut this piece right here open with a rotary drill. Easy to do, so don't be like easy. I had to cut it and make the hole a little bigger. Excuse me. And here's what the LED look like. I'm sorry I can't show y'all. I messed up the video and deleted it. The LED. Then you got your lock nut. Then you got the LED projector. So the LED projector go inside and comes out. Then you put the lock nut and you make it tight against the reflector. Then you screw in the actual LED into all of that. So very easy to do. Very easy to wire. The balancers, they're so small that I just wrapped it with the cable. I tied it and wrapped it with electrical tape. So it's so simple to do with these, the LED projectors with halo demon eye instead of the HID. And they're, to me, brighter. Like I said, I was finna get the HIDs, but they got problems, and you gotta hardwire all that wire and balancers, and it just so much stuff you had to do. And I was like, nah, I don't feel like doing that. But I wanted to try these out. There wasn't a video on it, so I wanted to make one. I messed up my first video and deleted it, so I'm making another one just for y'all to see how it is. But it's good quality, good aluminum. Everything I liked about it. I hope it lasts long. We'll see. But here's all the colors you can get. I got the white and I got the red. You can get the red and whatever color you want. I got the 6K. Whatever color I think it go up to 12K. You look like, but good stuff, man. Try them out. I like them. I love them. They bright. I hope y'all like this little review. Thank you. Alright, y'all, this how the LED halo, LED projectors, halo, demon eye, or devil eye. I got them online on eBay from Kentucky. They come from China.
I didn't get the HRD ones because I wanted to try the LED ones, and it's less wire and there's less cables. You don't gotta hook it direct to the battery. And I had a whole video of me assembling it, but I accidentally deleted, so I'm sorry about that. I had to edit and everything and it deleted, but I can tell you now, these right here, you're gonna have to retrofit them. When you open your housing up, you're gonna have to cut the hole bigger for these to fit. I'm gonna show you the box of it in a minute, but yeah, you gotta retrofit these. And this right now is on just the Demon Eye, but they real bright. It's daytime, as you can see. Okay, those are the low. Right here and underneath here. Only thing I did was some ties and some duct tape to roll it in with that cable that go right here. It goes right here. And I put 2 switches. Red is for the Demon Eye, blue is just for regular low beams. And I hooked the high power to, you know, regular high power ones. And they work great, man. I don't know how long they're gonna last, but if they last a year or 2, I'll be happy with that. I'm gonna buy an extra one, cause only thing you can do, hold on, let me hold this up. How I got it, I had to cut my dust guard. See if y'all can see down in there. Okay, there you go. That's how it look. Sorry the picture right now. Well, I had a good video, but that's it right there. I had to cut the cover, the dust guard for the fan can, you know, fit right. But you can buy an extra one and you can just screw this piece in and replace the LED that if it blew. So that's how I did that. And I got everything wired, tied, it fit good. I don't got no wire showing on the inside. Everything tied up. But I will keep y'all updated and y'all can ask any questions. I got them low as they can go. And they do scatter up just a little bit, but I haven't have nobody turn their brights on to let me know. I got them low and they still bright and reach far. So I haven't rolled at night on a long highway yet, but I drove City Street and it looks pretty good, and go to the stop signs real good. But I haven't took a highway drive at night on the, you know, dark road by itself. But they bright on the city driving and with the lights on what city have, so they real bright. So you know, any questions y'all got, keep you posted, and hopefully they'll last 2 years.